Securing storage infrastructure in virtualized and cloud environments. These environments have additional threats due to multi-tenancy and lack of control over the cloud resources. Virtualization specific security concerns are common for all cloud models. In public models, there are additional security concerns which demand specific countermeasures. Clients have less control to enforce security measures in public clouds. Difficult for cloud service providers to meet the security needs of all clients. Security concerns: multi-tenancy, velocity of attack, information assurance and data privacy. Multi-tenancy enables multiple independent tenants to be serviced using the same set of storage resources. Co-location of multiple VMS in a single server and sharing the same resources increase the attack surface. Velocity of attack: any existing security threat in the cloud spreads more rapidly and has larger impact than that in the traditional data center. Information assurance and data privacy. Then securing compute physical server, VMS and hypervisor. Securing network: virtual firewall provides packet filtering and monitoring to the virtual machine traffic. Then DMS and data encryption. Then when you come for securing storage, you have three aspects: access control and data encryption. Use separate LUNs for VM configuration files and VM data. Segregate VM traffic from management traffic. Next, RSA and virtual machine secure. RSA and Vmware security products. RSA, the security division of EMC, is the premier provider of security, risk and compliance solutions, helping organizations to solve their most complex and sensitive security challenges. VMware offers secure and robust solution for virtualized and cloud environments. Provides a brief introduction to RSA, Secure ID, RSA Identity and Access Management, RSA Data Protection Manager and VMware vShield. RSA Secure ID. RSA Secure ID is a two-factor authentication which provides an added layer of security to ensure that only valid users have access to systems and data. RSA Secure ID is based on something a user knows, something a user has. It provides a much more reliable level of user authentication than reusable password. It generates a new one-time password code every 60 seconds. To access these resources, users combine their secret personal identification number with the token code that appears on the Secure ID authenticator display at that given time. The result is unique one-time password to assure a user's identity. RSA Identity and Access Management. RSA Identity and Access Management product provides identity, security and access control management for physical, virtual and cloud-based environments through access management. It enables trusted identities to freely and securely interact with system and access. The RSA Identity and Access Management family has two products: RSA Access Manager, RSA Federator Identity Manager. RSA Access Manager enables organizations to centrally manage authentication and authorization policies for a large number of user, online web portals and application resources. Access Manager provides seamless user access with single sign-on and preserves identity context for greater security. RSA Data Protection Manager. RSA Data Protection Manager family is composed of two products: Application Encryption and Tokenization, Enterprise Key Management. When you come for Application Enterprise and Tokenization, it is with RSA Data Protection Manager, which helps to prevent data loss. It works at the point of creation, ensuring that the data stays encrypted as it is transmitted and stored. Enterprise Key Management is an easy to use management tool for encrypting keys at the database file server and storage levels. It also helps to ensure that information is properly secured and fully accessible when needed at any points in its life cycle. The VMware vShield. VMware vShield family includes 3 products: vShield App, vShield Edge, vShield Endpoint. The VMware vShield app is a hypervisor based application aware firewall solution. VMware vShield app observes network activity between virtual machines to define and refine firewall policies and secure business processes through detailed reporting of application traffic. VMware vShield Edge provides comprehensive perimeter network security for virtualized environment. It provides many services including firewall, VPN and dynamic host configuration protocol services. VMware vShield Endpoint consists of hardened special security VM with a third-party antivirus software. VMware vShield Endpoint streamlines and accelerates antivirus and anti-malware deployment because antivirus engine and signature files are updated only within the special security VM. VMware vShield Endpoint improves VM performance by offloading file scanning and other tasks from VMs to the security VM. It also satisfies audit requirements with detailed logging of antivirus and anti-malware activities.